In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From here, you'll be working in the Invoices area. If you're already creating a new invoice or viewing an existing one, you're in the right place. The goal is to make sure your customer sees clear, convenient options to pay you right from the invoice. Open the invoice screen and look for the invoice section. This is where you manage what the customer will see, including how they can pay. On this page, locate the Manage controls for the invoice. This opens the settings tied specifically to that invoice, so any choices you make here apply to the document you're editing without changing your entire account's defaults. Next, go into Payment Options. This is the hub for selecting and adjusting how you want to accept payment for this invoice. You'll usually see options for cards and bank transfers, and depending on your setup, other options may be available. If this is your first time enabling online payments, select Set Up. QuickBooks will guide you through connecting your payment processing, which may include confirming your business details and the bank account where deposits will land. Take a moment to review processing times and fees so you know what to expect. Once setup is complete, choose the payment methods you want to allow for this invoice. For example, you might enable bank transfer to keep fees lower or add credit and debit cards to make it easier for customers to pay quickly. If you work with recurring clients, consider enabling the same methods you'll want to use going forward, but remember, you can adjust them per invoice whenever needed. With payment options in place, finish filling out the invoice details. Confirm the customer, invoice date, due date, products or services, quantities, rates, and any sales tax. Add a memo or payment instructions if you want to clarify preferred methods or share policies like late fees. A quick preview can help you see exactly what your customer will receive and confirm the payment buttons look correct. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your selections for this invoice, and those payment options will display when you send it to your customer. From here, you're ready to share the invoice and get paid faster with less back and forth and fewer manual steps. That's it. Your invoice now includes the payment method you selected, and you're set up for a smoother checkout experience for your customers.